Good morning, everybody. Now it's currently 7:48 and it feels like it's 16 degrees Celsius. Look at them cute fishes. Yeah, so guess what? We are going to Universal Studios Japan today. So we're going to take the train all the way to Universal City, and hopefully I went to do some research, and there's like a Spider-Man ride, Jujutsu Kaisen rides. Can't wait to do them all. Alright, so we have reached Universal City Station. There's Universal Studios right there. But I see the insane amount of people. Sheesh. This seems like even more than a Disney Sea, man. Oh my god. What the heck, man? We are all doomed. Doomed to wait for eternity. Alright, you see a roller coaster? You know you are nearby. And then you hear this music. Universal Studio. Well, along the way there are some stalls out here too, so it's not so boring. And apparently they sell like 1.5 day passes, so like you can enter like a day earlier just to ride some more. I think they already knew it's gonna be a long wait, and that's why. Long queue, very long queue. What? We are here? Universal Studio Japan. Started queuing from around 9 AM. Sheesh, so many people. 23 minutes and we're in, boys and girls. Not that bad. So, very nice inside. Yeah. Even have a hotel there. So they currently have the Jujutsu Kaisen one. 4D glasses, and then there'll be effects sprayed at you, water sprayed at you and stuff like that, and the seats moving, so it's pretty nice. 16 minutes queue. For me I queued 40 minutes, so it was good time. It's around what, 15 to 20 minutes in total. Alright, so we are inside roller coaster. Ooh, they have alcohol, all this, and then what? Shark meat? Wait, is this legit shark meat over here? So at M&T Dining Restaurant, the chicken was good, the shark was good, the french fries are good. Worth the food, worth the price. Never expected theme park food to taste so good. Oh, they even have dancing here. Cool. Alright, this is what we came for. Sumimasen, gomenasai. Right, so we're just done with Spider-Man. And sheesh, we bought it at 151. I think that was worth it. Very cool to get to see Spider-Man in action. 5 minutes of ride. Something like the Transformer ride in USS. Pretty good. And the animation, whoo, on point. Really very good. Right, time check. Now it's 4:12. 4:05 we bought it, and roller coaster was good. 3 minutes, a lot more exhilarating. than the one at DCC and Disneyland. Overall, I think this is more thrilling. So Universal Studios is the one if you want to go for thrill rides. Oh, one cool feature is they let you choose the music that you want, and then they just play it as you go along the ride, so it makes it more fun and not so scary. Yeah, but the queue is horrendous though. So there's like the Doraemon, Elmo, Anime, New York Town, Spider-Man, Terminator, dinosaurs, Harry Potter area here. So I think it's friendly for everyone. Everyone can come here and probably get something that they enjoy. This is where we're gonna have our dinner? Early dinner. Wow, so we reached around I boarded the ride around 7:03 and it ended at 7:08. Quite good, backwards. Woo! You really feel it's tougher. Although when you went down, you're like, it's nothing, but I feel like it's harder to raise up the hand unless you really lean back against the seat. Then you let the ride take you and trust in the system. Then you're over. Yeah, so is it worth queuing? I think so. Right. Alright, so we're entering the Flying Dinosaur. Alright, so we are here. And there's a lot of people. Can't see it because it's too dark to see. Alright, so we're done. We boarded at like 8:53 and we did the ride in like 3 minutes. I think that was worth it. There were many drops, many 360 turns where you are forced to go up, like you are face down against the floor, and then you can see everybody. And then go up and then you overturn the other way so you face the sky. Whew. And now my thighs hurt because I think I literally let go and let the machine take me. I was like this the whole way. So it was fun. I think it was worth the queue. 3 minutes. By express pass will be better. So here we are, Jurassic Park on the ride. 20 minutes wait. They said. Now it's 9:05. So this is the queue now. 20 minutes wait before the ends. The last ride most probably. Why not? Alright, so we just done with the ride. We arrived at we waited till like 9:11 and then we got onto the ride. Finished it within 7 minutes, so that's good. But totally soaked wet. Sheesh. It was nice. The pictures were all very nice. Good. But I'm wet. You get to see the Stegosaurus, Velociraptor, Tyrannosaurus, Brachiosaurus. So that's fun. Wow, closing hours and we are here with the Snoopy. So cute. Wow, never knew this world existed. I was after the thrill rides, waiting for the thrill rides, and here we are. Wow, such a thing existed. They even have a roller coaster here. Cool. Alright guys, so that's the end. Another day, another Universal Studio. And sorry I couldn't today. Unfortunately I got the tickets but I lost it somehow, so I couldn't get the Nintendo World. But if you got any tips, you can try downloading the Universal Studio Japan app. Then you try to click on area timed entry and then click on Super Nintendo World and try to get e-tickets. But if you can't, you can come to the park, go to Central Park, which is quite near the river, the Central River, near the arcade game store, and then you can just go there and go to one of the green machines. Should be under the exit only, and then go to the green machines and then the staff will help you out. And hopefully you can get a paper ticket, get it. Once you get it, scan the it'll be like a lottery system. 1 hour before the stipulated time, check the lottery for the last 3 digit / alphabet, and then if you get in, you got in. If not, then you can. Unfortunately I didn't get a chance, so whatever. Anyway, comment down below what is your favorite ride here. Mine was I think the most mind-blowing one for me would be the Flying Dinosaur. something new. I've never experienced it before, and although it's quite painful for the legs, but I think it's good.
Hey, seems like you have made it to the very end. You are the real MVP and I appreciate you. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let's try to get this channel to 100 subs. And if you can, please do share with your friends and your family.